Very good. Okay, you wanna? Oh, good job.
But we throw it out before he opens these.
Okay.
We throw them out. See, I'm throwing them.
No, baby, get the nut from the inside. Put it in a plate, please.
No. Mom, that's it.
Okay. Crack another one. Crack open another one. 2 hands. 2 hands for the hammer. 2 hands. Okay, that was too hard. I think you should put the nut, actually, just on the ground, okay? Like this. Good job. Now open it up. Okay, good, good, good. Now open it up.
Mama, can you share your hammer with me?
Sure.
Ma, I left to crack.
Okay, get the nuts. Put them in the plate.
That's cool. It's funny. Okay, I'll crack another.
Okay.
I love to crack.
Okay, good. Good job.
Good. That smash with 2 hands. Smash. Okay. Customer, do you want to smash something with me?
I would like that nut.
Okay.
Good job.
Here, customer. Your nut is all ready.
Thank you. And who are you?
I am the smasher. See?
What does a smasher do?
Smash nuts. Pick another one. Set it right here. And hold 2 hands. And customer, another one?
Yes, please.
Okay. Please. Almost a crack for you, customer. I'm making it. For smash it, it'll be ready. Just smash some when you're done, or you're done already.